Hibiscus, also known as Rose Mellow. There are over 200 species of hibiscus that can be found in the warm and tropical regions of all over the world. This flower can be used as a source of natural dyes. They are available in white, yellow, orange, purple, pink, red, and blue color. Today I am going to paint these beautiful flowers on my silk canvas. This video will be very helpful for the beginners. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon if you are visiting for the first time. Catch me on Instagram and Facebook. Let's make a memorable journey together. I have already done my drawing on my newsprint sheet. Put the image under the fabric and draw it with the pencil. Before gutta, I am making my pistils of hibiscus flowers with yellow, orange and red. Start applying transparent gutta on the fabric. I am using grip silk for my hibiscus flowers. Hold the gutta properly in the hand. When you will start to apply the gutta on the fabric, follow the drawing lines carefully and avoid the breaks in the gutta. Your color will spread out if there is any break in the gutta outline. Leave the fabric to dry after gutta. When the gutta dries, apply the water in the flowers and start to paint with red, yellow, orange, dark brown and black. It is very important to shading the flowers according to their shapes of petals and their directions. The right choice of colors not only makes the flower look beautiful but also highlights its original shape. The color of the leaves of this flower is a little dark. That's why I chose green, dark green, moss green, or black for the leaves. Wet the leaves with plain water and fill the light green in it and add shades of the green according to the shapes of the leaves. I am making the veins of the leaves with very dark green, almost blackish green. Background is very important part of silk painting. Choice of right color for the background enhance the beauty of your painting. Select the right color tone or color shade for the background according to the design. I am using yellow ochre and burnt brown for my background. Do not forget about to apply the water on the fabric before painting. I have done my painting now. Remove the fabric from the wooden frame. Iron the fabric from the both sides for 5 to 7 minutes. If you have used transparent gutta, dip the fabric in the water for 5 to 7 minutes after ironing. After 5 minutes, take out the fabric from water and let it dry, and iron the fabric again when it dries. Now you can see my silk painting art piece is ready. I hope you like my video. If you have any questions or you want to share your opinion, please write in the comment box. Thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe to my channel before you go. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.